Hey there! Check out the Silipint Silicone 18 Oz Squeeze-Able set of 2 in vibrant Aurora colors that are microwavable, flexible, and built to last with unbreakable, non-slip, and easy grip features. These versatile bowls are perfect for mixing, prepping, serving, or snacking whether you're at home, the beach, or a barbecue. Made from 100% food-grade, platinum-cured silicone, they are free from harmful chemicals like BPS and phthalates, ensuring safety and durability. Each bowl is lightweight, dishwasher-safe, freezer-friendly, and microwave-safe, designed not to crack, chip, fade, or scratch. The easy grip outer surfaces and non-slip bottoms provide extra stability and convenience during use. Plus, by choosing silicone, you're supporting an earth-friendly lifestyle that reduces plastic and paper waste. Enjoy style, function, and sustainability, all in one with Silipint's innovative bowl set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.